Buenos. This is Raquel with Paints and Glitter. I'm just coming along with a quick haul video. I just recently got this, actually I got this in today, from a cherry on top. And I wanted to show you what I got. This is a brand new collection by Obed Marshall, and I believe that's how you pronounce his name. And I saw it and I was extremely excited to get it because it is a collection that has sentiments in Spanish. Por fin! Ya era hora! Gracias! I'm so happy! So I know that maybe this is not the only one out there, but I don't have unlimited resources, and when I do see something, I want to be able to get it because I like all of it, not just something here and there. However, having said that, I fell in love with this collection, and I'm going to show you what I got. So let's start here. These are 8 rings, or anillas, so I'm going to be saying a few words in Spanish here in case anyone watches the video who is Hispanic or Spanish speaker. So these are 2 yellow, 2 blue, 2 green, 2 pink, absolutely adorable. And of course you can use them all in the same project or whichever ones you like. This die set here is called, oh, and by the way, the collection is called Buenos Días. Buenos Días, that means good day. So let's see here. This die set does not have a name that I can see, but in any case, it's a little snow cone, or ice cream cone, I should call it. 2 banners. One of them is a fishtail banner, the other one's triangular, and then it says momentos, which means moments. And I love that the dies are yellow. Oh my gosh, I think that's so gorgeous. Then here's another die set. And of course, this is not the entire collection. I need to clarify that. This one here has a little camera, a little picture frame, like a Polaroid frame, a flower and a leaf, and the word recuerdos, which means memories. And this one has a white wash. And I hope you guys can see that well. Then this one here is one of the reasons why I even got the collection, and I hope every collection from here on forward has these elements because they're so gorgeous. But this is the acrylic shapes, formas acrílicas is how you would say that in Spanish. And by the way, this is put out by American Crafts. So American Crafts is, I guess, understanding that most Americans out there do speak more than one language, or actually a lot of them, I don't know. And Spanish is, of course, a very common language here in the United States. So I'm going to open this and show you guys what's inside. And you may have seen this collection before. It was new to me. I believe it just released. I'm not sure. I think it did. But let's look at the pieces here. So, oh my gosh, I'm in love. They're very chunky. I would say they're at least, I don't know, 1/4 inch thick. So they're nice and sturdy. This one says recuerdos, which is memories. 2 hearts. One of them is a heart shape, or 2 hearts in heart shape. One is a rainbow, one's pink. The other one's a little circle. 2 of those, a star and a heart. And then these adorable little stars in pastels, but they do have stripes, polka dot, and confetti. Oh my gosh, love that. The word cool, the little flower there, and then a little banner, which I think is so adorable. So there's those, and then there's another package down here. There's more. I just saw this and it was so sun happy and adorable. Okay, so here are in English the word smile. Goodness, I'm dropping these guys, but there's the word smile, and then there's an adorable little camera. There's a little flower grouping, the word amigos, which means friends, little arrows in polka dot and stripe, and then some little hearts, a yellow one that says What does it say? It says something, but I can't really see it. Sorry, guys. And then another one with stripes, but it's kind of almost like a little rainbow style. And then the word momentos, which I think I already explained. And then two little arrows, a polka dotted one and a striped one. Absolutely adore. Oh, and then there's another little star and another heart. Apparently I dropped those. So there's that. Now let's take a look at the paper. So this would be phenomenal if you, even if you wanted to make a book for someone who's not a Spanish speaker, but is interested in learning, or simply lives in an area where there's a lot of Hispanic influence. Why not? Oh my gosh. Or just because you are of the human race. How about that? So here's this paper, and I'm sorry if it's really sunny out, so it might be casting a shadow here. Little florals with a blue background, and those are little white daisies. There's this one here, which almost looks like a little landscape. This one, adorable. It's marbled and it has a lot of gold in it as well, and it is nice and shiny. So I'm sorry again about the shadows. I did not anticipate that. This one has fizzy pop bottles. So cute, and it has the yellow background. And I know you guys are probably wondering, wow, Raquel normally does a lot of shabby chic. Why is she getting into this? I love happy colors, and this just spoke to me when I saw it. There's a yellow stripe, and I think, I don't know if I didn't mention it, but this one's the world map, but then it's got all different colors in it. And then this one here has die cuts, or cut aparts, I should say, that say viajando, that means traveling. Momentos increíbles, which means incredible moments. The word awesome. Gracias means thank you. Everybody knows that. Días de felicidad, which means days of happiness or happy days. And then me encanta, which is what we say when we love something. Me encanta. I love it. And then a retro little radio and a little tag there. Then the little flowers, but with a nice soft blue background. This one has, I don't know how to describe this pattern, but little squares, but they all have different colors on the borders there. And this one's got gold foiling. So far I haven't seen a repeat. So let's see. Cars, absolutely cute. Vintage cars, if you would call them that. And then this pattern here, so lovely, which is a scallop, but it's got gold foil. And then the checker here, but with gold foiling. And that's yellow with gold, or cream with gold. And then this blue polka dot. I mean, oh my gosh, I love this page. It's got cereal. This is the cereal that I ate most, I think, when I was a little girl, was Fruit Loops. And then it's got coffee cups or hot chocolate, however you want to see that. Little heart sprinkles on some of them, or stars. And then, what are these? Pop-Tarts is what they call them. So cute. Another page that's just got an ombre almost style of stripes there. Then this one is all sentiments. So super cute. I love it. It's got all those nice words there. More little tags. This one says recuerdos, which means memories. And qué divertido, how fun. Just like the paper collection. And then all of these little tags. Amigos, which means friends. And repeated there, as you can tell. Then it repeats itself. So you saw how many different kinds of papers. So there are 36 sheets total. This happens to be the 6x8 paper pad. I didn't get the larger one because I do prefer working in this size. But I am thrilled to have received this. And now moving along to the other package that I received, which I forgot to show. And I know I had it. Here it is. I also just received, and I meant to show this before, I just forgot, these gorgeous seam binding pieces here. And the note is absolutely adorable. This was an Etsy purchase. Her name is Erin, and her shop's name is My Scrap Cabin Shop. I know a lot of you have shopped there before, but she even sent me some free pieces here of Blue Jay, I think. Yes, that's what she wrote. So there's all these pink colors, peachy tones. Now this was nicely presented. She didn't put them in the bag like this. I had already opened it, but these are different spring bundles that she had, and then some of them were just loose. So I just wanted to show you the colors here, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. And if you're interested, of course, if you want to point out any color that you want to know the name, I can quickly go through them. But for some reason, I think one of these is the one she gave me, but I can't remember now. But yeah, a lot of different colors, super shabby and super cute, and some of it will, of course, match the collection that I just got here, the Buenos Días. So I'm very excited about that. But starting over here, I've got Tea Rose. I think this says Lyric. Yep, Lyric. I've got Frosting, Salmon, something pink, but I don't know what that says. Pearl Aqua, 3 times. Powder Blue and Sky Blue. Then on this end, let's start with this is called Sea Mist. This is Oatmeal. These are Spearmint and Watercrest, I think, or Wave Crest, something like that. And then Orchid, Navy, Blue Jay, that's the one she gave me. Mango, Nickel, Bright Green, White, obviously, right? And then Trophy is the name of this one, and it's gold. And then Yellow. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm all set for the summer and the spring to use these adorable ribbons, I'm going to call them, although it's seam binding. But I thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave links below this video with all of these items. If you're interested in this collection, you can pick it up using my link. I would totally appreciate your support. So I hope that you're having a fabulous day, that you can be inspired and be blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.